Saffron pudding. Try out this easy and amazingly delicious luxurious eggless saffron pudding. Let's make it. Bismillah. In a cooking pot, add 2 cups of milk. Heat up the milk until it starts boiling. While milk is boiling, in a mixing bowl add ½ cup of heavy whipping cream, ¼ cup of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of sugar, and ¼ teaspoon of salt. Add pinch of saffron to boiling milk. Mix cream mixture well until smooth. Once milk starts boiling, lower the heat and slowly add this cream mixture to boiling milk. Continue whisking to avoid lumps in the pudding. Once pudding starts thickening, turn off the heat and immediately remove it from the stove. Fill the pudding in small ramekins or in big serving dish. If you like, you can add cake pieces, fruits chunks, or chopped nuts. Cover with cling wrap to avoid flimsy skin on top of the pudding. And put it in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving. Garnish with saffron and sliced pistachios, optional. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Enjoy cold creamy saffron pudding. Thanks for watching.